Hi, in our last class, we learned about arithmetic mean, median, and mode. Today, we are going to learn about the preparation of frequency distribution table. Preparation of frequency distribution table. How to prepare frequency distribution table? One teacher conducted exam to 25 students. One teacher conducted the exam to 25 students. In this, these 25 students' marks, she noted 18, 10, 15, 16, 14, 21, 20, 10, 11, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 24, 25, 21, 25. The maximum marks 25. The teacher conducted the exam. Then what she has done, she wants to prepare groups. She wants to prepare groups. So this is called data. These questions are given to you in textbook in exercise 2. So to the given data, how to prepare frequency distribution table? First we have to select class intervals. Class intervals. These class intervals are of two types. One is inclusive class intervals and exclusive class intervals. Inclusive class intervals and exclusive class intervals. How many classes we have to prepare? We have to prepare nearly 5 to 10 classes. It depends upon the data. So before that, we should find the range of the data. What is the range? Maximum value minus minimum value. What is the maximum value here? 25. What is the minimum value here? See 6, 3 and 1. Okay. 25 minus 1. 24. So the range is 24. And now you have to decide the number of classes. I want to prepare 6 classes. So number of classes I decided 6. When number of classes is 6, then class interval is equal to range by number of classes. Range by number of classes. Here, what is the range? 24. What is the number of classes? 6. So how much it is now? 4. The class interval is how much? 4. Here we have to put one table. To the table, first one is class, second one is tally marks, and third one is frequency. Here I will start the first class with 1. 1 to how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next number starts is 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can take like that. Or 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 4, 8. So you can build to the next class. 5 plus 4, 9. And 8 plus 4, 12. 9 plus 4, 13. 12 plus 4, 16. 13 plus 4, 17. 16 plus 4, 20. 17 plus 4, 21. 20 plus 4, 24. And next is 21 plus 4, 25. 25 to 28. You see 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 4. How many classes we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sometimes we will get one extra also. Right? It is not a problem. In the textbook it is given. Number of classes is given. Sometimes a class interval will be given in the textbook. That only you have to take. So first value is how much? 18. At 17 to 20 you put 1 and cut that, and 10 will come here, and 15 will come in this, and 16 will come in this. Okay, and 16 over, next 14 will come here, and 21 will come here, and 20 will come here, 10 will come, 11, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 11 here. When I am putting already 4 over, so I am putting one cross mark. 12, 24, 13, 25, 21, 25. So we write here how many? 4, 6, 4, 2, 3, 2. So these are, see once, all of you, very close values, frequency distribution table. Now you got doubt whether it is right or wrong. So you calculate full. 4, 4, 8, 6, 14, 4, 18, 2, 20, 23, 22, 25. This is about frequency distribution table, and these are called inclusive classes because 1 and 4 both are included in this. Then how to write exclusive classes? Exclusive classes means when to use exclusive classes and when to use inclusive classes. For example, in this data only, suppose the student got 4.5 marks. So you will get a doubt where to put, either 1 to 4 or 5 to 8. So that's why we will write exclusive classes for the same problem like this. 1 to 5. Then next starts with 5 to 1 plus 4, 5. So 5 plus 4, 9. But we will write 10. Then 15, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 1 to 5, 5 to here, 1 plus 4, 5. What happens here is 5 plus 4, 9. 9 to 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 25 and 25 plus 4, 29. So 5 is coming in both. But 5 where we have to take? This is excluded. We will take 5 in the second class. That you should remember. So 1 to 5 but not 5. Sir, 1 to 5 but not 5 means what? up to 5. 4.999 will also come here, but 5 won't come. 5 will come in the next class. 8.9 will come here. So, like this, these are called class intervals. So, children, in exercise 2, you have frequency distribution table, preparation of frequency distribution table. So, this is the data, some numbers will be given. You have to build the classes. Once you build the classes, you have to put the tally marks. After putting the tally marks, you have to write the frequency. Keep watching MC Maths Class videos for better understanding of mathematics. In my next video, you will try to learn about histogram, frequency polygon, and frequency curve and Vogiokos. All the best. With this, you try to solve some problems of exercise.